Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In today's video, we're going to install Rider on a Chromebook. So the first thing we need to do is enable the Linux development environment. To do that, I'm going to click on the launcher here and find my settings. Click on Settings, go to the left-hand side, go to Advanced, click on that, and this tab should expand and you'll see Developers. I'm going to click on that, and where I see Linux Development Environment, I'm going to click Turn On and then Next. It'll give me a username which is based off of my email, I believe. I'm going to keep that as is, and a recommended disk size which can be changed later. I'm going to keep that as is. I'm going to click Install, and that's going to take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font size so you can see what I'm doing. I want to make sure everything is up to date, so I'm going to type sudo apt-get update and then 2 ampersands, which means and then sudo apt-get dist-upgrade. And I'm going to use a -y flag so I don't have to answer yes to the additional space. I'm going to hit enter. This will take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is enabled, we want to download Rider. So I'm going to open up a browser here, and I'm going to search for Jetbrains Rider. And the first link that will come up is from Jetbrains. I'm going to click on that. So this is jetbrains.com/rider. I'm going to click on the download. And I want to download for Linux, so I'm going to click on that. You want to make sure you're downloading the .tar.gz file. I'm going to click download. Okay, once Rider is downloaded, I'm going to open up my downloads folder, locate the file, and I'm going to cut the file and paste it into my Linux files here. Okay, once it's moved over, I'm going to open up a terminal, list out my storage. You'll see I have Jetbrains Rider here. And what I'm going to do is I want to unzip this file and place it in the opt directory. To do that, I'm going to type sudo tar-xvf, then start to type out Jetbrains and hit tab to autocomplete. Then I'll do a -c, a space, and a /opt. And I'll hit enter. Okay, inside the opt directory, I can cd into Jetbrains Rider, cd into the bin, and let's list out the storage and see which file we need to run. And we've got rider.sh is the one we need to run. So to do this, I'll just cd back to my home directory, do a /opt, start to type Jetbrains, hit tab, type bin, and then rider.sh, and hit enter. Okay, at this point, Rider will pop up and you can begin customizing Rider. Rider is now installed on the Chromebook. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.